Hello everyone, I'm Gloria from China. I can speak Cantonese, Mandarin, and I'm also fluent in English. I'm 24 years old. Maybe for some people, I'm too young to become a teacher. But after 4 years study of teaching English as a foreign language, I have taught English in China and Mandarin in Thailand in the past 3 years. Since I like to explore the world and live a different lifestyle, I have moved into Bangkok for a year. Right now, I work as a Mandarin teacher in Thailand. Besides work, I like to watch American TV show and reading books. And after school, I will practice my Chinese musical instrument, guzheng. I'm not good at it, I'm still a beginner. Besides being a teacher, I'm also a solo traveler. I would like to experience the local culture on my vacation. And I'm also good at photographer and editing photo. So in the following weeks, I think and I hope I will teaching Cantonese or Mandarin video in my YouTube channel. I'm an open-minded teacher. I never treat my student only as a student, but as a friend. I don't see myself to do other things besides teaching. I love teaching. I would like to devote my rest of life to help a student immerse in language and discover the miracle of language. Learning language is not about to become a robot for tasks, but to build a bridge for the people from all over the world, so that we could communicate well and embrace each other's culture.